Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the Fujifilm X-T50.
A camera that's been generating a lot of buzz with its blend of advanced features and user-friendly design.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype.
Starting with the design, the X-T50 inherits its body largely from the X-T30 series but with some subtle improvements. It maintains that iconic Fujifilm retro charm with a compact and lightweight body, which makes it a great option for travel photography. However, the grip could be more substantial, especially for extended shooting sessions. One standout addition is the film simulation dial on the top plate, a first for Fujifilm's X-T series. This dial allows quick access to 11 film simulations, making it incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners who want to experiment with different looks without diving into menus. Under the hood, the X-T50 packs a punch. It features a 40.2 megapixels APS-C sensor paired with Fujifilm's X Processor 5, the same combo found in the more advanced X-T5. This setup not only delivers exceptional image quality with good dynamic range and low noise but also enables impressive autofocus performance,
including eye tracking capabilities. One of the standout features here is the in-body image stabilization, providing up to 7 stops of compensation. This is a game-changer for handheld shooting, ensuring sharper images even in challenging conditions. For video enthusiasts, the X-T50 offers up to 6.2 kby 30p video recording capabilities, along with 4 kby 60p and 1080 by 240p options. It supports 4:2, 10-bit internal recording, which is fantastic for color grading in post-production. Using the X-T50 is a pleasure overall, thanks to its intuitive controls and responsive touchscreen. The autofocus system, enhanced with AI subject detection, performs admirably, though the button layout could be more ergonomic for some users. The EVF and rear display remain unchanged from its predecessor, which is a bit of a missed opportunity for improvement.
However, the addition of US2 support for the single SD card slot is a welcome upgrade. When it comes to actual image and video quality, the X-T50 impresses. Stills are detailed and vibrant, especially with the various film simulations that Fujifilm is renowned for. The ability to shoot RAW and apply these simulations later in post-processing is a definite plus. Video quality is equally compelling, with excellent clarity and color rendition.
The IBIS system shines here,
delivering stable footage even without a tripod, though videographers might miss the weather sealing found in higher-end models. Wrapping up, the Fujifilm X-T50 is a standout option in the mid-range mirrorless camera market.
It bridges the gap between entry-level and enthusiast models, offering robust features like IBIS, high-resolution imaging, and advanced video capabilities in a compact package. However, its price point might give some potential buyers pause,
especially considering the competition and the absence of weather sealing. That said, if you're looking for a versatile camera that excels in both photography and videography, the X-T50 is definitely worth considering.
And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.